Alright, so we're gonna turn the fan to on, then cool. I know it's super hot in this joint. I can handle it though. It's also saying hold. Alright, so I turned the heat on. See if the blower will work. I heard it click on downstairs. Well, under the house. I hear it trying, but no air is coming out. That might be a problem. Let's go under the house. All right, so we're back in the house. Change the air filter also. That's the old one. This is the new one. So yeah, that might have been a problem too. We'll put it under the clamps. You don't want it to get sucked up under the inside. Oh, jeez. Okay. My butter knife failed. All right. Locate your breaker box. If you're not sure which one it is, turn the power off to the whole house. All right, once you got the door removed, then I was using this, but it conked out on me. So locate your capacitor. You want to make sure that you don't have no power. Get you one of these. Light it up. Touch, no power. Touch around any hot wires. Make sure if it turns red, then you got power to the unit. So, no power, green, we're good. Okay. Then just to be sure, discharge it. Use a screwdriver. Touch them together. Close that circuit off. That connection. Then that's off. Take your needle nose pliers. And up. And my homeboy shot up. He told me it doesn't matter which way they go on. You also had this retaining pin. Had this retaining screw right here. And I already loosened that up for you previously. So now, you just lock it up. Go to the store, try to find you a part. Right? That's it right there. Let's go. Alright, so we're back under the house. We got us a new capacitor. Bam. Same thing, same thing. Same thing, same thing. Place it back. All right. And place this one down on here. Put it on good. Place this one on the outside over here. Place it down. All right, till it clicks. Okay. That's on, and then we're gonna screw down that retaining bolt, and then we'll go back up and make sure that our AC works. We'll see what happens. All right, let's go. Moment of truth time. Open up your breaker. Turn your power back on. Let's turn the unit on. Cool. It's 85 degrees. Oh boy, you hear that? Yeah, the curtain's moving. Let's go. Haha. K-Dub 5150. Changed the capacitor and it all, baby. Watched it out. We did it all. Let's go. Thank you, Boog. My man Shy hooked me up. Peace.